Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand simple and composite attributes. So the concept of entity attributes and entity type has already been discussed in our previous video. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Now coming to this class, we'll try to understand different types of attributes. In those different types of attributes, we'll try to understand simple and composite attribute. What is meant by an attribute? An attribute is the property which describes an entity, okay, which we have already discussed. So there are different types of attributes. For example, first one is a simple attribute. What is a simple attribute? Attribute which cannot be divided or called as simple or atomic attributes. So means in the sense, for example, if you take a property called age, so that age cannot be further divided. So So such kind of attributes are called as simple attributes. The other attribute is composite attribute. So what is composite attribute? Attributes which can be divided into smaller subparts are called as composite attributes. So the attributes which are given to the entity type, so those attributes can be further divided into subparts. So we'll try to understand that by using an example. Here the entity type is an employee. Entity type is employee, okay. So as we have discussed, the entity types are represented in rectangular shape with the name described within it, and the attributes are name, address, sex, date of birth and age. So here we will take name. These are all the attributes. Attributes are described in oval shape, address, and next is sex, next is date of birth, and last one is age. So these are the attributes of this entity type. Now can you guess what are the attributes which are simple and what are the attributes which are composite? So is it possible to divide the meaning of sex? It may be male or female. It cannot be further divided. So there are this attribute, date of birth cannot also be further divided. Similarly, age also cannot be further divided. But if you take address can be further divided into street name and area name, and afterwards city name, state name. So in that way we can divide this. There is a possibility for us to make this address into subparts. Okay, so this is a composite attribute. So these three are simple attributes. This is composite attribute. And name, if you take name, can it be further divided? Think about it. Yes, we can divide it into first name, middle name and last name. So name is also a composite attribute. How the composite attributes are represented in ER diagram. So that is important to understand. Attributes are represented in this way. In these attributes there are different types. So one of the attribute type is simple. In that category we are going to come across sex, date of birth and age or simple attributes. And these composite attributes are represented as, so how they can be represented is, from here we can attach the subparts. The subpart is first name, next one is middle name, middle initial, and the next one is what we call it as last name. Similarly, if you take address, it is street name. So I am writing simply SN, stands for street name, and this one other one is street name. Next is what we can take. It is area name. Afterwards state name in which it is located. So district name, it can also be district name. Is also another attribute. So street names can also further divided. So it is within this street address we can give name of the street, door number. So all these parts come under this street name part, door number. So this hierarchy can be maintained. So this is how the composite attributes can be represented. Hierarchically they can be represented. So this is the basic attribute that we have taken, which is a composite attribute, which can be further divided into street name, address name, area name, state name and district name. So this street name can further be divided into door number, name of the street, so pin code, okay, zip code. So this is how this is all about a simple attribute and composite attribute. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.